In this section, we'll look at the features of the IBM Data Connect service and IBM Bluemix. After completing this section, you should understand the key characteristics of the IBM Data Connect service and IBM Bluemix and how this service improves your ability to collect and analyze data. Let's get started by looking at some of the issues that different entities within an organization face when they have to go about the business of making decisions based on insights that they get from data. One of these obstacles is the large amount of time spent on just accessing and preparing the data. And here we have some estimates from various studies. For example, in one study, it was found that 80% of the time doing analytics was spent on data preparation. And this would include aggregating, cleaning, organizing, and so on. Also, the diversity of data makes it really hard to analyze data that comes from different sources. The traditional ETL approach requires skills that are limited in supply, which means that the ability for multiple people within an organization to access and analyze data is constrained. So let's look at the IBM Bluemix Data Connect service. So Data Connect is a fully managed self-service data preparation and integration service that enables all users, both technical and non-technical, to put data to work. The service empowers users to act on their data by providing them the ability to get instant access to it regardless of where it's stored. And it allows users to combine data together from multiple sources to create insights, and then also provides the ability to transform the data by doing a variety of operations, including cleansing, shaping, removal of duplicates, and so on. Under the covers, the Data Connect service is powered by Apache Spark for performance reasons. Data Connect is available exclusively through Bluemix and can easily integrate data across different platforms, cloud, on-premise, and is also seamlessly embedded and integrated within Watson Analytics. Data Connect empowers non-technical and technical users to simply put data to work for them. Data Connect benefits a variety of different users in different ways. For example, business and citizen analysts can find and use the data that they need to make their business decisions using data that's both accurate and trusted. Developers can enhance existing applications by embedding the Data Connect capabilities into these apps via the REST APIs. And data engineers can enable others in the organization to access data in a self-service manner while still maintaining data governance and security. So let's look at some of the capabilities of Data Connect. First, it gives you access to data in a hybrid cloud environment. So you have access to both cloud-based data and on-premise data. And we'll talk more about the options for accessing on-premise data securely in a couple of slides. Allows you to blend data from multiple sources and combine this data to create an aggregate or a superset of the data in order for you to do more meaningful analytics on it. It allows you to shape the data for the particular type of analytics you're trying to do. You can filter values and columns from the source. You can sort, you can remove duplicates, and also understand the quality of the data through standardized scores that are provided for you. It allows you to load data for analytics, so you can access your prepared data wherever it is and load it into a data service on the cloud. It allows you to map structured data to semi-structured data. So normalized tabular data from relational databases can be loaded into NoSQL databases like Cloudon. Last but not least, let's look at the control data workflows. And this is the ability to use APIs to trigger activities that have been previously defined within Data Connect by business analysts or data scientists or your IT administrative staff. Data Connect provides a simple but intuitive user interface to allow you to interact with data and utilize its various capabilities to access, combine, cleanse, transform, and deliver information quickly and easily. It empowers the users by allowing them to access data from multiple sources, and as data is ingested, the data is automatically analyzed, profiled, and classified so that the user will get valuable insight about the content and the quality of the data. Users can then refine, enrich, cleanse, and improve the content and quality of the data prior to delivering it by using over 75 different transformation operations provided with the service. Once an activity has been defined, it can be saved, executed immediately, or scheduled to be delivered in the future, and also triggered via an API call. Now, in terms of what kind of data can be accessed via Data Connect, we have a list that is current as of the time of the recording of this unit. And as you can see, it supports a variety of data sources, both cloud-based and on-premise, as both sources of data and targets to which refined data can be delivered. As I mentioned earlier, Data Connect supports over 75 different refinement operations. And here we're showing you a sampling of those. And as you can see, there is a variety of different operations, everything from complex mathematical manipulations on the right to a variety of different types of string operations and data conversion. As mentioned earlier, Data Connect can utilize the Secure Gateway service in Bluemix to securely connect to on-prem databases and other data sources. Let's just walk through a typical example of how this is done. First, Data Connect will attempt to connect to the on-premise connection. The request will be routed to the Secure Gateway service. The Secure Gateway service running in Bluemix will route the request to a Secure Gateway client that has been installed on-prem. The Secure Gateway client will route the request to the actual data source. If it's a read, the result is passed back through the Secure Gateway SSH tunnel and back to Data Connect. If it's a write, the data is written to the on-premise data. In summary, we looked at the IBM Data Connect service in Bluemix and saw that it allowed you to identify relevant data wherever it resides, whether that be in the cloud or on-premise, allows you to transform that data to suit your needs, and allows you to load it into another data store or application for later use.